Well, you know what, Graham? They used to call me Admin as part of my hockey team because it would distract the opponent. So I would introduce myself as, hi, I'm Ilana. And then when the game starts, I was left wing and I could score goals. I was Admin on the field. So I do, yeah, girls, I'd love to play some hockey at some stage. But Dr. Eve, our hockey girls are true shining examples of what we talk about when we talk about the busting of our busy lives and then having a career and our partners, you know, and having to face high-profile demands.
Yeah.
So I look at this and I'm thinking, you know, there's so many challenges that we're faced with in terms of balancing careers and relationships and to successfully manage all of this.
Well, I don't believe in balance, you know.
You
know,
don't? Oh,
come
Dr.
on.
Eve on the show. Welcome again.
You know, thank you. It's nice to be here. I think it's an impossible thing to try and find balance. I think that there are times in your lives, like with these young women and the hockey players, where they really have to focus on that.
Yeah.
And they have to have partners who are supportive of that during that time. But then it has to swing. The pendulum has to swing, where things get a little easier in terms of their career or their touring, whatever goes on, and then they're able to be more conscious and more present in the relationship. But that doesn't mean that you live two separate existences, like his career and his relationship. You have to interweave and you have to keep threading through the different strands of your life. So you have to keep that erotic relationship going all the time.
How do we manage even that? You know, like, when is it out of balance if balance is not something that we
cool.
can... Yeah.
Yeah. You have to all the time be aware of using what my pet thing is technology. There is absolutely no excuse of maintaining a relationship via technology, whether you're Skyping, whether you're WhatsApping. That is today the joy of being able... There's just no excuse for not having a relationship because you've got technology to be able to do that, no matter where you are in the world. I think there are also a lot of temptations when you are at that high profile level. And let's be honest, you know, you look beautiful. Even if it's just like around sport, you're healthy. So there is a lot of self-absorption of trying to maintain yourself, your look, your health, and that takes a lot of time. Where does that fit into your relationship?
What if couples specifically have very high-profile jobs like sporting careers or are in the public eye?
Yeah, that's where the difficulty is, because of the temptations. I mean, most of us have temptations all the time because of technology, because you're talking to people and it's very tempting to get involved with other people. But if you're in a high-profile position, you're in the public eye and people are going to be drawn to you and you are drawn to other people and you are attractive and therefore you're drawn to attractive people as well. And you have to maintain that attractivity. I mean, Ilana, that's the truth of it. It's high maintenance. Where do you find that extra bit of time to be in a relationship when there is so much needed time to be maintaining yourself as well?
Sure. Quickly, top tips for career-driven couples.
You absolutely have to have good communication. And I know it's like that simple C word all the time. How do you communicate? I go back to technology again. Keep each other in the loop. Don't be tempted by the external, by the superficiality of just being adored by your public. The public push us into that place where you really are very tempted and drawn away from your relationship. Don't. Be integrous. Make sure that you are a partner who is solid in him or herself. You've got to be able to be confident in yourself to be able to maintain a high-profile person in your life.
Ah, well, you bring us so many insights. We benefit from your advice. Do you know that? Thank you, Dr. Eve.
Thank you. See you again.
Marlene joining us on the show on your Feel Good Breakfast show. Well, you heard it. Stay solid. Don't fall into the temptations. Well, there's lots of temptations after this break. This is your Feel Good Breakfast show. We'll be back after the break.